Hey, what's up YouTube? Alien Rides here, and this weekend something crazy is happening in San Francisco. It's the first annual electric cannonball race hosted by Bayscape. So there's 2 days of racing. On Saturday, today, we have a straight line race through Golden Gate Park, and tomorrow is the Cannonball Run, where we race from one side of the city to the other. Should be totally insane. Now, there is some guidelines that everybody should follow, traffic rules of course, but with the Cannonball Run, who knows what's gonna happen. So hopefully we all get out there, have a good time, and hopefully nobody gets injured. There's several different classes of races going on. So there's an electric scooter race, there's an electric unicycle race, and there's electric skateboarding, both DIY and production. Each class has a couple different prizes from our sponsors, and thank you so much to the sponsors for making this event happen. We couldn't have done it without you, and hopefully this is the first race of many to come in the future. All right, subscribe and let's ride. Alright guys, and now it's time for the scooter race. So I'm gonna switch over to an FPV camera now and capture myself riding the RION in the scooter race. Let's roll.
3, 2, 1, go!
Alright guys, so we just finished the race and came up to the top of Twin Peaks. I placed third in the scooter division, which is alright. I'm a little bit disappointed in myself. There was one corner where I let off the throttle. That was a big mistake. I should have just pinned it the whole way. But I'm not super familiar with the RION yet, so I need more practice with it. But had a ton of fun, learned a lot, and hope tomorrow goes even better. So we're gonna call it a day for now, maybe go on a little short group ride. And tomorrow I'll do another video where I'm capturing some FPV video riding across the city. Alright, see you guys in a bit.
Alright, prizes! Production e-skate, first place, number 67. DIY, first place, Callan. For scooter, third place, number 4. That's you.
Shit, that's me.
And for first place scooter, number 9. Basically the entire RION team. For EUC, for second place, we got number 4. Wait, hold on a second.
What? What? Did I cheat?
And
Okay.
a rare
Yes.
double podium.
Double podium finish. Alright, what's up guys? It's day 2 of the Cannonball Run and today's the big event. We're going to be racing from one side of the city to the other, so hopefully everybody's safe, has a good time, and we're going to see who wins. I'm riding the RION scooter again today, and I'll capture a little bit of FPV video. Alright, let's roll.
First of all, thanks you guys for coming out. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna line everybody up, right? So we're gonna have production, skateboard, DIY, skateboard, scooter, and then EUC. So what's gonna happen is I'm gonna release the first heat at a certain time. And then every minute, the next heat will go. Okay, you gotta be ready to go. All right, no dilly-dallying, and don't be late. 3, 2, 1, go! Go! Go, 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 go! 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 Go!
Where's the finish? 4, 4, 4. Where's the finish? Is it here?
Items right there to that side. What balls? Scared the crap out of us, Kevin. 24. I wanted to make.
All right, guys, we just finished the race, and it turns out I crossed the finish line first, but 2 guys in a later heat were right behind me, so they probably beat me. I don't know. We're gonna check the time, see what happens. Overall, this was a totally insane and crazy race, and I'm not sure I'm going to upload the footage just because it was totally nuts. I did a lot of stupid stuff, but if I do decide to upload it, you'll find it following this or in a future video.
Hey! Number!
42.
The results. Production e-skate. For first place, we have number 54. DIY electric skateboard. For first place, we got number 21, Antonio Vargas. For scooter category, for third place, we got number 4, Alien Rides.
That's me, I guess.
And then for tied, for first place, but it's really second and first place, we got number 9 from RION Racing and number 24, Brian Schwartz from Last Mile SF. And for number first place, EUC, number 1 rider, we got number 5, Jesse Garnier!
Thanks, Sophia, for organizing this event. Let's give a huge round of applause. Thank you very much for finding
And volunteers.
volunteers, yes.
Sponsors too.
And all the sponsors. Last of all, thank you everybody for coming out and joining the race.
All right, guys, that's all we got for this year's Cannonball Run. It was totally crazy. Seems like we're gonna do it again next year, probably even more crazy. So hope you all enjoyed this video. We'll see you all next time. Peace out.